Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe. Beta, we all like to eat different varieties of food, but do you know how can we make them? So, cooking, it is very important, right? So, today in chapter number 11, we will see many things about cooking. So, it is easy to ask for different varieties of food demanding, but you should know how much painful, how much difficult it is to prepare the food, right? Now, before starting the chapter, let us go through the hard words. Digest, that means to turn the food into the substance that our body can use. Non-stick, that means a utensil with a coating that prevents food from sticking to the surface, right? Coating means a thin layer of the substance that is covering a utensil surface or any surface, right? Junk food, the food that is very quick and easy to prepare but very low on nutrients. That means it does not contain much nutrients that can be beneficial for our body, right beta? So, in early humans, they used to eat the raw food only. Why? Because they don't know how to prepare the food. They were not knowing what are the benefits of cooking the food. Then they discovered fire. When they discovered fire and they started settling down at a proper place, then they started cooking the food. They learned how to cook the food. So, students, cooking is very important because it makes the food soft, tasty and very easy to digest, right? And second thing is, it also kills the germs that are present in the food, right? Now, if we talk about the different ways of cooking, then we have the different ways are like we have boiling, grilling, roasting, steaming, frying and baking. So, there are different ways how can we cook our food, right? Now, if we talk about cooking with boiling water, so there are many food items that are cooked by boiling. So, boiling, it kills the germs and also cooks the food, right? So, suppose we boil water to kill the germs, we boil milk to kill the bacteria, we boil eggs, we boil potato, we boil rice, right? So, there are many things that are need to be boiled. We cannot eat them raw. So, that need to be boiled before eating. So, there are many items. Boiling means nothing. It's very easy. Just you need to put the food in the water and let the water starts boiling. So, when the water starts boiling, because of that very high temperature, the food also gets cooked, right beta? Then we have steaming. Boiling and steaming are more or less same, but here the food, the steam, that means when the water is boiling and the water vapors are coming up, these water vapors helps to cook the food, right? So, that method is called steaming. So, different people use different ways of steaming. They have some different utensils that are used to prepare different dishes and especially for steaming purpose. So, different food items like we have idlis, then momos, doklas, they are the food items that are cooked by steaming, and steaming is one of the best way, healthiest way, because it protects all the nutrients, and as no oil is used for cooking this food, it's very good for our health also, right beta? Then we have cooking the food in hot oil, right? So, when we use oil for cooking the food, there are different methods and different names given to that proper type of cooking. For example, when we cook like bread or parathas, so we say it is that shallow fry. That means just we roast it or just we cook, give the oil that much only required to cook the food, right? Sometimes we need to cook the food by dipping deep into the oil, like like we eat pakoras, samosas, then we eat french fries. So these are the food items that need to be cooked in the hot oil, they need to be dipped in the oil and cooked, right? Then sometimes we just salt means just we remove that kacha flavor from the food. So like suppose sometimes just onions, garlics, they need to be sorted out, means just fry karna, so that the smell won't be there and that little kachapan won't be there, but it should not get cooked very means fully, it should not get cooked. So that type of cooking we use, and with a little oil we sort the different items, different especially when you prepare the Chinese items, we don't need to cook the food totally, like whatever the food they use, the Chinese generally they use cabbage and capsicum, carrots, so just they need to be sorted, right beta? So like that there are different ways of cooking the food by using oil, right? And if I tell you, then deep fry is not the healthiest way, so we should avoid using the food, or we should limit. Avoid means it doesn't mean totally chhod do, but sometimes we can eat the oiled food, that means deep fried food items, because beta it's not good for that much health, right? So other ways of cooking where we can use little oil is okay, but deep fry is not that much healthiest way, right? Then if dry heat inside the oven, that is called baking. So you know baking, like so on special occasions your mother prepares cakes, then muffins, and pizzas, they need to be baked. That means what? They need to be kept in the oven, and oven provides the dry heat. So that type of cooking is called baking. Even the biscuits, they are baked by keeping them in the oven. So these type of cookings are also healthy only, because again we use very less oil there, and with the heat or with the heat of the oven, where the electric energy is getting changed into heat energy, so because of that heat energy the food is getting cooked. So that is again a good way of cooking. Then roasting means especially the some vegetables or the meat items, they are cooked by keeping them on direct heat, or it can be an ovens, or it can be on the tandoor they used to keep and fry those items. So that is called roasting. Then we have grilling, right? So grilling means when the food is cooked over a strong heat, so that is called grilling. And here one metal bars are used on which the food is specially placed, and the heat is provided with the help of the fire. So it can be in the tandoors or in the ovens, these type of cooking is done, but it uses the grilled fire. And in the roasting, it is the heat is provided only from behind, niche se, but in grilling the heat is provided from both the sides, and it helps to cook the food and makes the food tasty, right beta? So students, we have seen what are the different ways of cooking. Out of that, I think steaming is the best way, because all the nutrients are getting preserved, especially in the deep frying and all, where lot of oil is used. So when we fry the food items in the hot oil, it destroys most of the nutrients, and not a healthiest way of eating or cooking, right? So why do we need food? We need food to get energy, and if all the energy is lost, then what is the use of eating such type of food? So students, always prefer healthy food and stay healthy and eat healthy. Bye. Have a nice day.